Second degree polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, and the zeros are alpha and beta, and the relations are the sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a, and products of the zeros is equal to c by a. The question is like this: find a polynomial such that sum of the zeros of the given polynomial is minus 3, and the product of the zeros is equal to 2. So we want to find p of x. Product of zeros of this p of x should be 2, and sum of the zeros of p of x should be minus 3. Such a p of x we want to find out. There can be different answers. The answer is not unique one. There can be different possible polynomials. So how we can find? So given what is the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros. So alpha plus beta, alpha and beta are the zeros as the name we given. So alpha plus beta is given that minus 3, and alpha into beta is given that these are given sum of the zeros and the products of the zeros. We want to find a polynomial. To find polynomial, we have the general form ax square plus bx plus c. So you want to get a, b, and c. Okay, what are given? Alpha plus beta and alpha beta are given. So you can use our relations. That's alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. So we can use this relation to find out b, a, and c. Okay. So here alpha plus beta, we know that minus b by a. So here we can write minus b by a is equal to minus 3. And alpha into beta, we know that alpha into beta is c by a. So here we can write c by a is equal to 2. So there are different choices are. So you can take a as a fixed one. So suppose a is equal to 1. Suppose a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 gives minus b by 1 is equal to minus 3. So minus b is equal to minus 3. So b is equal to 3. So if a is equal to 1, b should be 3. And if a is equal to 1, what will be c? So you apply a is equal to 1 here. So c by 1 is equal to 2. So c is equal to 2. So if you choose a as 1, then to get sum of the zeros minus 3 and the product of the zeros 2, the values of b and c are 3 and 2. So our polynomial will be p of x is equal to, substitute the values of a, b, and c. So a, we have choose that 1. So 1x square, that is x square, then plus bx. B is 3x, then plus c. Plus c, what is c? Plus 2, right? So this is the polynomial. For this polynomial, the values of sum of the zeros will be minus 3, and the products of the zeros of this polynomial will be 2. Okay, I shall explain again. The question is, we want to find a polynomial p of x. What is given? Sum of the zeros of this polynomial is minus 3, and products of the zeros of this polynomial is 2. And we want to find the p of x. And we have these relations: sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a, products of the zeros is equal to c by a. So we will apply this. Okay. So given that sum of the zeros is equal to minus 3, so we can write alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3. And we can apply this here: alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So minus b by a is equal to minus 3. And similarly, alpha into beta is given that 2. For alpha and beta, we can substitute c by a, because the relation is true for every polynomial. So c by a is equal to 2. The next step, what we do, we can choose different values for a. We will get different possible polynomials. The answer is not unique, but the question will be write a polynomial, not write the polynomial. Question, this type question will be like write a polynomial. Okay, so we need only one choice. Okay, so if we choose a is equal to 1, we will get minus b by 1 is equal to 3. So minus b is equal to 3, b is equal to 3. And also c by 1 is equal to 2, and c is equal to 2. You substitute values of a, b, and c in the general form of a second degree polynomial. So we will get 1 into x square. A is 1. So 1 into x square is x square, then plus 3x, then plus c is 2, so plus 2. So the polynomial is x square plus 3x plus 2. This is the polynomial.